What's going on, guys? Alright, so today I'm going to do something that needs to get done because it looks really bad. You can see here my side molding's peeling off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a side molding delete, and at the same time I will be doing a badge removal as well. So we're gonna remove the 626 badge, and we're also gonna remove the Mazda badge. We're gonna leave the logo on because why not? Now this should be pretty straightforward, it should be pretty simple. There should only be some double-sided stick tape, as you can see right there. This is already naturally peeling up, so I'm just gonna peel it off myself. I also have here some fishing line I'll use. You guys have probably seen this used before in this video, or in our videos. So help me cut the double-sided stick tape from the car along with the emblems in the back. And then I got some Goo Gone to help clean off the residue, and the soapy water to clean that up, and then we should be good to go. So without any further ado, let's get to work. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this side molding, and we'll go from there. What I've seen done is they'll take the fishing line and they'll kind of grab it and they'll kind of run it here to pull it off. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sit you guys down. I don't have a tripod, so I'll probably just kind of do like a before and after. So quick change of plans. I'm not gonna do the side moldings yet. I'll probably just get some more tape and stick this back on, because as I started peeling it off, you can see the paint is starting to peel off with it. That's not supposed to happen. Now back here, I went ahead and got this off. Now what I did was I used the fishing line in kind of like a sawing motion as I brought it from left to right, and it's kind of peeled it off. So now I'm gonna go back with the Goo Gone and get that cleaned up. All right, got some applied here to my microfiber cloth. Making really good progress now. You can see it's mostly all the way gone. Got a little bit of some residue left, but some more elbow grease, and I'll be right out. Okay, so I just washed this side. You can see it's looking pretty clean. I'm gonna go back and dry it off now. Well, I'm gonna wash the whole car, but I'm gonna go back and dry it off, and we'll see how it looks once everything's been cleaned up. Okay, so the car is washed, looks nice and clean. And now you can get a better view of the D badge. Now you can kind of see some of the residue where the sun, you know, just kind of faded the paint. I think a good buff should take care of that. We'll find out. Other side, same thing going on. A little bit of scratching. So now you have a perfect example of what not to do when you're debadging your vehicle versus what you probably should do. Now I just need to get a buff to buff the rest of that out. But yeah, we washed the car, looks good. We go back and clean the windows, and then we'll be good. So I have a really cool thing to show you. It cleans glass, windows, metal surfaces, pretty much anything very, very, very well. Doesn't leave behind any residue or any streaks. I like it. It may not smell the greatest, but what cleaner does? What good cleaner does? So, you can probably see the water spots on my window. Spray it down like you would normally, and wipe. I don't remember if I showed you how dirty this window was before. We'll get this side. I don't know if you can see the water spots from when I washed it and all the dirt and stuff. Nice and clean. No more spots, just a couple scratches, but the window is crystal clear. Stuff works great. I also used it on my wheels. You can see how clean those are. And that's just spray on, wipe off. So it's the next day, I'm editing this video, getting ready to upload it, and I realized I never did explain what the cleaner was that I was using. This is actually just a really simple mix of alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, 91%, and white vinegar. I usually do it about 50-50%, and it works great. Like I said, it doesn't smell the best, but the smell doesn't linger around that long. For those of you that don't know, vinegar is a deodorizer, so it is good for that. So yeah, I know car guys are always looking for ways to clean fabrics and other materials in and around the car that's safe and really effective, and this is one. It's safe because vinegar, like I said, is a deodorizer as well as a good cleaning agent, and then alcohol has a very high evaporation rate and is great on metals and other alloys like that. So I hope this helps. Oh, also I had another question I wanted to ask you guys. If you have any idea on how I can fix this, it's happening on pretty much all the panels except the driver's side. I have this side temporarily taped up because it's to the point where it's just like folded over completely. I want to just go ahead and pull this off and probably do like a custom insert here of some sort of fabric or pattern. So if you have any ideas for that, do let me know in the comments below, because I am open to suggestions. I might do something TurboShotIncredible related, or maybe just something that just looks cool and flows with the theme of the car. I don't know yet. So let me know your thoughts on what I should do for these side panels, and I will take them into consideration. Yeah, that'll be it for this video. So I hope this little tip here, I'll show you the badge again in different lighting. So it came out pretty good. I'm happy with that. So now you know how to go ahead and debadge or shave the badge on your vehicle, just with two very simple things: fishing line, glue gun, and time. Well, three things. So thanks for checking it out. Really appreciate it. Like I said, I hope you drew some value from this. I hope you guys have a great day, and remember to go out there and do something awesome. Peace. The plan is to light it, and I'm gonna grab the controller